Herringbone floor restoration in an office, Holborn. Cup of coffee before we start working here. Before floor sanding and restoration. Floor sanding in progress, with dust-free machinery. After the first sanding, getting ready for the next one. After a precise sanding of all floorboards. Fixing some small problems around the corners. Getting ready for the next part of the restoration. After gap filling and staining of the entire floor. After floor finishing with satin lacquer and polishing. A cup of tea after the job was done.